DJI has been unusually quiet for quite some time, but that calm seems to have been the build-up to something big. Rumors are exploding across the tech space, and it looks like DJI is finally ready to break its silence with a bang. The long-awaited DJI Osmo Action 6 is reportedly set to launch on October 24, 2025. And the details surfacing from leaks and insiders are enough to make any action camera enthusiast's pulse race. The Action 6 isn't just another upgrade, it's shaping up to be a serious statement. From the outside, DJI appears to have stuck with its iconic rectangular design, the look fans have come to know and love. But this time, it's been reimagined. The body is a little thicker, and that's because there's far more power under the hood. The front lens has grown larger and is now framed by a textured metal bezel, giving it a premium edge. Below the front display sits a sleek, pill-shaped accent that makes the entire design feel more refined and modern. And yes, it's still every bit as tough as you'd expect, rugged, dustproof, and waterproof up to 20 meters straight out of the box. No extra case needed. That's the kind of confidence that puts it toe-to-toe with GoPro's toughest models. But the real excitement isn't about how it looks, it's what's inside that's stealing the spotlight. The DJI Action 6 is rumored to be DJI's first action camera featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a massive leap forward compared to the 1.3-inch sensor on the Action 5 Pro. For creators, that translates to sharper details, cleaner shadows, and stunning clarity even when the light starts to fade. Low-light performance has always been a sticking point for small cameras, but this upgrade could change the game. The dynamic range boost alone could make colors pop and highlights roll off beautifully, giving creators footage that feels cinematic straight from the camera. The numbers behind the camera are just as jaw-dropping. We're talking 8,000 video at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60, and 4K at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second. Add 10-bit D-Log-M color with over 13 stops of dynamic range, and you're looking at serious filmmaking potential in the palm of your hand. He seems ready to flex hard in the action camera space, showing it can not only compete but possibly surpass the competition. Then there's stabilization, an area DJI already dominates, and yet they've found a way to push it further. The new Rocksteady 4.0 system introduces AI-driven horizon steady with 360-degree leveling and real-time shake prediction. In other words, whether you're cliff diving, skiing down an icy slope, or flying down a mountain trail on your bike, your footage stays perfectly level and smooth. The idea of AI stabilization predicting motion in real time sounds almost futuristic, but given DJI's track record, it's entirely believable. And if that wasn't enough, DJI is reportedly expanding its connectivity features. The Action 6 will pair with Garmin devices and Apple Watch, letting users control recording, change modes, and overlay live metrics like heart rate, altitude, or speed directly onto their footage. It's the kind of feature that turns your adventure into a fully immersive experience because your data becomes part of the story. Pricing leaks have also stirred plenty of conversation. The standard combo is expected to land between $329 and $429, while the adventure combo could reach around $479 to $579. Considering the huge leap in specs, that's surprisingly close to what the Action 5 Pro cost, making it an aggressive move from DJI. They're clearly gunning for GoPro's market share, and this pricing strategy could be the key that tips the balance. Now, let's take a closer look at how it stacks up against its predecessor, the DJI Action 5 Pro. The Action 5 Pro carved out a strong reputation as a powerful, compact camera that balanced performance and reliability. It featured a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 40-megapixel stills and offered a dynamic range of around 13.5 stops. It delivered vibrant, punchy images and strong low-light results that satisfied both casual users and professionals who needed dependable footage on the go. But the rumored jump to a full 1-inch sensor in the Action 6 could make the older model feel dated almost overnight. That difference might not sound dramatic on paper, but in practice, it means a huge leap in light gathering ability, cleaner detail retention, and higher resolution options. The Action 6's potential for 8K recording is a clear sign that DJI isn't afraid to chase ultra high-end performance, even in a form factor this small. If these leaks are accurate, the Action 6 could easily set a new standard in the compact camera world. Performance-wise, stabilization has always been one of DJI's greatest strengths, and the Action 5 Pro proved that with its Horizon Steady technology and 4K 120 FPS support. It delivered footage so smooth that it often felt like it was shot on a gimbal. But the Action 6 is rumored rock-steady 4.0 stabilization, backed by AI with full 360 horizon leveling, could completely redefine what smooth footage means. Imagine filming a chase scene, spinning, flipping, or even rotating your camera completely yet your horizon never budges. That's the promise of the new stabilization system, and it could make even the wildest action shots look cinematic. When it comes to endurance, the Action 5 Pro packed a 1950 mAh battery, allowing up to 4 hours of 4K recording. The Action 6 reportedly takes that even further with improved battery efficiency and better heat management. With higher resolution recording and extended power life, creators will be able to capture more without worrying about interruptions or overheating during long sessions. Durability remains a non-negotiable factor for any action camera, and both models seem built to withstand the elements. Like its predecessor, the Action 6 is expected to handle temperatures as low as -20 C, survive serious shocks, and maintain its waterproof rating without the need for extra housing. Whether you're climbing icy peaks or surfing tropical waves, this camera looks ready for anything you can throw at it. The question then becomes, what should you choose? The Action 5 Pro remains an excellent option, a proven performer with an established track record. It's reliable, battle-tested, and more than capable for most creators. But the Action 6 represents a leap into the future. With 8K capabilities, AI-powered stabilization, expanded smartwatch connectivity, and upgraded sensor performance, it's clear that DJI is setting a new bar for what an action camera can do. The real debate comes down to whether you value proven dependability or bleeding-edge innovation. The Action 5 Pro has earned its spot as a dependable workhorse, perfect for travelers and adventurers who just want to hit record and trust their gear. But if you're someone who craves next-level visuals, loves experimenting with slow motion, or wants your footage to feel as professional as possible, the Action 6 is a clear temptation. Interestingly, the video also touches on another brewing rivalry between DJI's handheld gimbal cameras, the Osmo Pocket 3 and the rumored Pocket 4. The Pocket 3, launched in October 2023, was a landmark release that transformed handheld filmmaking. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K at 120 FPS capabilities, and compact design made it a go-to for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers alike. The rotating 2-inch touchscreen was a joy to use, and the 3-axis gimbal delivered stabilization that felt like magic. But as whispers of the Pocket 4 grow louder, expectations are climbing fast. Insiders claim the next-generation model could retain the 1-inch sensor but with significant improvements to dynamic range and low-light sensitivity. The possibility of recording 4K at 240 FPS has creators buzzing. Imagine that level of slow motion in a device that fits in your pocket. There are also rumors of a bigger 2.5-inch display for better control, enhanced autofocus with eye tracking borrowed from professional mirrorless systems, and even a potential collaboration with Hasselblad for superior color science and tonal accuracy. The Pocket 3 debuted at around $519 but crept up in price due to market changes, while the Pocket 4 is rumored to launch around $699. If it truly delivers the rumored improvements, it could become the ultimate compact filmmaking tool, blending cinematic quality with effortless portability. Looking across DJI's upcoming lineup, one thing is clear: the brand is doubling down on innovation. Whether it's through sensor upgrades, AI-driven stabilization, or deeper integration with wearable tech, DJI seems determined to dominate every corner of the compact camera market. For creators, that means more tools, more freedom, and more ways to tell stories that feel big, even when shot on small devices. As the release of the Action 6 draws near, anticipation is reaching a fever pitch. The leaks have set the stage for what could be DJI's boldest and most exciting camera yet. It's not just an incremental upgrade, it's a sign of where action cameras are headed next. The only question left is, are you ready to capture your adventures in 8K with added precision and cinematic stability? Because the future of action filmmaking might just fit in the palm of your hand.